I have some exciting news. So, I am doing a huge studio renovation the month of January. So, I'm here in my studio now. And if you followed me for a few years, you'll probably remember like 5 years ago, my dad actually built this studio. And it was actually a really cool story because my dad built the studio, but like while he was building it, all of our neighbors were kind of hanging outside because it was in the middle of the summer. And a bunch of my neighbors started helping. And one of our friends does drywall, and he started drywall, and it was just kind of amazing. So anyways, as amazing as this space has been, I'll kind of scroll around. It is about maybe 25 by 10 space. And when I was working here by myself, it was perfect. But now it's me and I have two assistants working here. And when the three of us are all in here together, it's a bit of a tight space for the amount of jewelry we're making. So in January, I am taking over the whole garage. So for a while, this was my kids, my boys' like man cave, and that was my jewelry cave. And I kicked them out because I have my ring saw out here. And then this is like where we've been doing shipping because there's literally no room in that space. We are going to insulate up to the rafters, put in a skylight so we can have like better lighting for pictures. And I'm so excited. Because of that, we have to get all of this out. So the website in January is going to look a little different. I'm being very particular with what I'm going to have on the website because it's going to have to be things that I can just ship, things that I'm not making because we're not going to be able to make anything in January. Very exciting on Christmas because of all of this. On Christmas, I'm having a sale on a lot of pieces that are going to be one of a kind, that are just going to be a really good sale on these pieces because I really need to kind of get them out of here. That sounds so, I don't know, that sounds so weird. They're going to be great pieces. They're new. They haven't been worn, but we need to move them out because I need to kind of clear the space. And that's exciting for the website because then the website is going to be kind of going into February much more new. Anyways, really excited about it. Follow along. I will be doing a lot of stories, a lot of videos, a lot of pictures, but the whole process. And thank you for everyone who supported my work. This has been a tough year for everyone, but for my business, it's been great. So I appreciate all of you.